Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the plugin. By using that, we can easily insert any widget sidebars in the detail page of the post. Let me show you. First of all, you can see here like there is nothing inside this the details or content, but by using this plugin we can insert by counting the paragraph of the post. For that, just go to the plugins and add new plugins, and then you have to write paragraph sidebar injector. You can see just uploaded 2 days ago, so just go here and install this. After activating, you will get the menu under settings. Just go there. You can see the paragraph sidebars is here, so go there and just add new rules, and you put the numbers where you want to show this the sidebar, like 1 2. That number will be the corresponding paragraph. So I'll say 2, and you have to select the available sidebar. Like I will say footer builder widget, and then I'll say in 5 I will add footer builder widget 3, and I will save this. So after saving this, you can see we have successfully inserted these sidebars, this one and this one. This one is under this paragraph 2 1 2, and under 3 under 4 this is 4, and this 3, and this 4, and you can see this is the sidebar. We have successfully inserted this, and similarly we can add more. If the paragraph is less, then it will not show. If the paragraph count is more than we inserted, then it will show. So you can easily do this. Thank you.